Python essentials for every new programmer in 5 minutes. Ready? Go. Okay. Print statements. First thing you want to do, open up text editor. I can't think because I'm going so fast, right? Print. Hello world. Okay. Terminal. Find our Python program. Do Python 3. Name of our program. Boom. Print statements. You print a statement. Okay. One thing you can do, you can say uh, backslash n, save it, run your program. It's just a brand new line, okay? You do it at the beginning, after, at the end of their print statement, boom. New line, new line, that's backslash n. All right, what's next? What's next? Variables. Variables, a variable is just a storage thing, so you can say, hey, I want this variable, I'm gonna call it name. Um, this name is equal to Jeff, so I'm storing the name Jeff in the variable name, and I can print this is a variable. Whoops, misspelled. To run the program, this is the variable Jeff. Okay, so and I can change this Jerry. Okay, Jerry. So our variable is called name, and our name, the variable named name, is equal to Jerry. Okay, cool. So this is print variables. Next is user input. User input, really simple. Right, let me add some comments. Comments, it's just like this. This is print print statements. What is this? Variables. And next is going to be user input. User input, you call this keyword method called input with uh, parentheses. And what you can do, what it does is it basically captures the input from the user itself, and you can store this in a variable. So we're going to call it user input. We can output user input in quotations. This is the user's input. Have a space right here. User input. Go back. We'll run our program. I'm going to clear it so it's nice and pretty. This is a variable, Jerry. And notice how the program doesn't end. It actually pauses right here and waits for us. I'm just going to enter some text. The user's input, text. Okay. And one thing with inputs, you can make them, you can add a little spice. You know what I'm saying? Let's see. What is your name? Okay. And then you get the input. This is the user's name. Hello world. This is a variable. What is your name? Jerry. Why not? We're doing it. The username is Jerry. Okay. And we can once again add some new lines to add some spaces. What is your name? Jerry with equal sign apparently. Okay. That's user's input. Okay. Print variables, user input, done. Next and not least is if statements. All right. If statements, here's how you do it. If true, capital T, oh, lowercase b, geez Louise. This is true. Um, else, this is false. Okay. So basically, if statements say if the thing is true, you do the true thing. If the thing is false, you do the false thing. Okay. Jeff, my name is Jeff now. Okay, this is true. Okay, the reason that it's true is because we told it, hey, it's true. What if I can do something with the name, but with actually the user input? I can say, hey, if the user input is equal to Jerry, say this is Jerry. I could even do something like L if user input equals geez Louise, Jeff. This is Jeff. This is nobody important. Importante, apparently. Okay. So these are if statements, and I'm almost at 5 minutes, so sorry, y'all. Jerry, username is Jerry. This is Jerry. This Jerry comes over here. If I say Jeff, Jeff with an extra F, because this is it's nobody importante. But if I say Jeff with just two Fs, it says this is Jeff, which is this line right here. Okay. Last but not least is loops. Let's see, loops, and we're only going to go over specifically a while loop. While loop, we can get the user's input. We're going to ask them for a number. Give me a number. Actually, no, we're not going to give them a number. We're going to say number equals 10. So while the number is greater than 0, I want you to print the lowercase, print the number. Okay. You basically need to decrement the numbers. So we're going to number minus equals 1. This is going to, whoops, we already went through if statements. Let's check that off. It's going to print the number, and every single time I'm going to decrement the number. So it's going to go from 10 to 9 all the way to 0, and then it's going to print this every single time. Don't believe me? Watch this. 10, 9, 8, 3, 2, 1. Yay! And I can do it, 100 times. Let's do it all the way to 100 or from 100 down. I can say while the number is greater than 50. What is your name? Jerry again. And it does it from 100 to just above 50 because that's what I specified here. Awesome. Python in 5, actually, Python in 653 and 85 hundredths of a second. We've learned, I'm going to have to say that. Print statements, variables, user input, if statements, loops. We're going to learn a lot more, everybody. We're going to learn more in 5 minutes, 6 minutes, and 54 seconds. So stay tuned. You enjoy this video, you learned something, like, subscribe, share to someone who wants to learn software, and I'll see you later. See ya.